In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access checklists in Trello and use them to organize your tasks more efficiently. If you're managing projects, collaborating with a team, or just keeping track of personal to-dos, Trello checklists are one of the most powerful features you can use inside any card. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add a checklist, customize it, track progress automatically, and use advanced options like assigning members and setting due dates. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board you're currently working on. Checklists live inside cards, so the next step is to open any card where you want to break work down into smaller subtasks. Just click on a card to open it. This brings up the full card view, where you can see descriptions, attachments, comments, and other options. On the right-hand side of the card, you'll see a menu with different action buttons. Look for the button labeled Checklist. Click on Checklist and a small window will appear asking you to name your checklist. This is helpful if you plan to add multiple checklists to the same card. For example, you might name one Design Tasks and another Review Steps. Type in your checklist name, then click Add. Immediately, your new checklist will appear inside the card. You'll see a text field where you can start typing your checklist items. Each line represents a subtask. Simply type the name of a task and press Enter to add the next one. As you continue adding items, Trello automatically organizes them into a clean, structured list. One of the most useful features of Trello checklists is the progress bar at the top. As soon as you start checking off completed items, Trello shows a percentage bar that updates automatically. This gives you a quick visual indicator of how much of the work is done without even opening the checklist details. It's perfect for tracking progress at a glance. Now let's look at how to manage checklist items more effectively. You can drag and drop items to reorder them. Just click and hold an item, then move it up or down the list. This is great if priorities change or if you want to restructure your workflow. You can also assign specific checklist items to team members. Hover over an item and click the Assign icon. Then choose a member of your board. This makes it clear who is responsible for that specific subtask instead of assigning the entire card to just one person. Another powerful feature is adding due dates to individual checklist items. Hover over the item, click the Due Date option, and select a date and time. This is especially helpful when a single card contains multiple steps that need to be completed at different times. If you need more than one checklist in a card, simply repeat the same process. Click Checklist again from the right-hand menu, name the new checklist, and click Add. You can create separate sections for different phases of a project, making your cards much more structured and easier to manage. As your checklist grows, you can continue marking items complete, rearranging them, assigning responsibilities, and setting deadlines. All of this helps turn a simple Trello card into a detailed action plan. So that's how you access and use checklists in Trello. Open a card, click the Checklist button on the right-hand menu, name your checklist, and start adding items. From there, you can track progress with the percentage bar, drag and drop tasks, assign members, and set due dates to stay organized and productive. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.